What's my beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Vanishing, and today I have a really quick tutorial. I'm hoping it'll be quick anyway. The reason why I'm making this tutorial is because your girl got some free gifts from Fenty. Me? Fenty? Sorry? What? Like, guys. Anyway, before I start rambling, if you're not subscribed, come join the Melanated family. I would love you guys to be a part of my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, hi, how you doing? What's good? Let me know in the comment section down below what content you want to see from me, and I will try my best to get around to making it. I haven't moisturized my face yet, so I'm just going to use my day cream. As usual, all the products that I'm using is going to be in the description bar down below, but this is just the moisturizer I usually use. It's the Vanishing cream from LUSH. Trying to avoid my eyebrows because I just made them really fleeky. Oh, an elephant in the room, I already did my eyebrows off camera. If you guys are interested in how I do my eyebrows, I made a separate tutorial which should already be out on how I did them. I'll probably leave a link somewhere here though, and in the description bar in case you want to know, you know. Next I'm gonna prime. That's my T-zone, I think, to be honest. Okay, moving on to the base. I really wanted to use my NARS Shea Glow foundation for this look, but right now in the winter it looks really orange on my skin tone. I don't know why. So I'm just going to be using my usual duo, which is the Lancome Teint Idole Ultra Wear. Cool, let's move on to priming the eyes. I'm using NYX's Pre-Fit. And then we're going to highlight and contour, so I'm using the new Fenty concealer in 420, but I'm also going to be using the matchstick in Espresso to contour today. Oh my god, it still shocks me every time I use this how creamy this concealer is. I feel like I haven't used an actual concealer up until now. I just want to put this out there though, guys. Eco Tools Wonder Cover Complexion Brush. I can't even speak English, oh my word. Eco Tools Wonder Cover Complexion Brush is absolutely amazing for blending out contour. Like, it's so lovely and dense but soft at the same time, and it's super affordable as well. So if you guys are looking for a good contour brush, I would highly recommend this one. I'll leave a link for it in the description bar below as well. This is actually my first time using the matchstick and I'm really liking the colour. It's a bit more red than the Revolution one I usually use, so it looks like you're more sun-kissed. I like it a lot. Gotta mention that. I'm really feeling this this duo at the moment. Fenty is just doing the absolute most with my life right now. Can we discuss how beautiful this contour is, and can we discuss how difficult it is to find a contour shade as a dark skinned woman? I know so many people have already mentioned the way Fenty has changed the makeup game, but I think we need a moment in this video again just to appreciate how okay, we're done. Right, I'm gonna be using the Pro Filter setting powder in Hazelnut just to set my under eyes and make sure it's not budging nowhere. Swoosh it around. And a little bit again. It smells so good. But imagine, guys, nutmeg is the shade they sent me in the store. The lady was suggesting that I buy nutmeg, and I was like, nah, let me get a lighter shade for my under eyes because I want it to pop. And they sent me the other shade I was gonna buy but didn't buy. Like, I'm blessed, man, I'm blessed. Thank you, Fenty Beach team. God bless you, because you were clearly reading my mind. Okay, so let's move on to the eyes, and I'm gonna be real honest with you guys. So I feel like currently the trend with makeup is very bold, very cut crease, really colourful colours, and I'm all for it. Like, I watch these videos, I binge these videos, just watching people do amazing makeup, and it looks great. For me, I really prefer like wearable makeup, that really enhances my natural features, as opposed to like make me a new person kind of thing. In no way am I bashing anyone that does this really cool kind of Instagram looking makeup, but it's not for me. In one of my makeup tutorials, I feel like I was trying my best to fit into this Instagram makeup look, and it really didn't suit me because I don't really know how to do that makeup properly with my features. But I feel like it's not really my thing anyway. I don't like that kind of makeup on me personally. So from here out, I've said to myself, I'm gonna do much more natural kind of makeup looks. And when I say natural, like, be expecting a red lip. And I know a lot of people like more natural makeup as well, so that's what I'm going to be doing in 2019. Let me know what you guys think about that though, and if you know any YouTubers or people on Instagram that fit this kind of more natural niche that I'm speaking of, do let me know in the comment section down below. I definitely want to get some inspiration from new people because I'm definitely out on the inspiration hunt at the moment. Okay, so I'm going to be using the matchstick in Sinnamon. It's just really beautiful. It's this really beautiful colour here. I'm just going to add this colour into my inner tear duct just to make my eyes pop a bit more. And then a little bit on the lower lash line as well. And then I'll use a clean fluffy brush just to blend it all out so it looks much more seamless. But you know what, let's add a little bit more depth to the crease. So this really lovely chocolatey colour called Rich, just a tiny bit, and adding that to my crease. I'm gonna use like a slightly angled eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna do a winged liner with that. I think that'd be much softer and nicer. So I'm using towel on my cheeks, cinnamon on my brow bone, and on my cheeks as well. Ooh, that went a little bit too low. And just brush that out. On my nose. And on my cupid's bow. So let's go back and give myself some lashes, you know? My face is feeling crusty and dry, so I'm just gonna spritz it quick to give it some life back. I'm gonna be using MAC's Chestnut Lip Liner to line my lips first, but I had a weird revelation. Like, whenever I put nude lipsticks on, I'd always think that it'd look really weird on my lips. And then I realised my lips are two-tone, so by putting a lighter colour both on my top and bottom lip, it just looked weird because that's not the way my face usually looks. I don't know how to describe it, but basically what I do now is just line the bottom lip but kind of fill in most of the top lip, and you'll see what I do the rest of it anyway. Not all the way, but most of the way. Like that. And then this is the Mattemoiselle by Fenty Beauty, and I'm using the shade Single, even though I'm a taken Pringle, and I just dab it on my bottom lip, just like in the inside. Just making sure the top is not too much. And that's how I wear my nudes. So that's the final look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope you give some of these products a try. Don't forget to show me love on the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.